The topic of today's video is how to change your region in Valorant. And what you want to do is hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and let's get into the video. So here we are on the riotgames.com website. So no need to use the app. And you can just immediately go to the top right corner here and click on sign in. Now you probably won't get this. You might just complete the verification here. All right, and now you want to sign into your account. Any method that you use to sign in, go for it and meet me over here back on the home screen. And you can see on the top right, I'm now signed in. So we want to go to the top right hand corner again, click on, or just hover over that and click on settings. And then we want to scroll all the way down on this page until we see support. Click on that. Again, on this right support page, all we need to do is scroll all the way down and you want to click on submit a ticket and want to click on Valorant. Let's set our request type here. So you can just click in on this drop down and we are going to click on account management and data requests. That'll immediately take you to the next page. And then you want to fill out this form. So fill out your platform that you're playing on. For us, it's PC. The subject, just make it that you need to change region or change region, whatever. Then under inquiries, we need to put in account management so that here in the select your inquiry, we have the need help changing region option here. Now you can click on this and they will automatically make sure that you are in the right region. Your location does need to be on whatever device you are using. But if this doesn't work the way you want it to, just carry on filling out the form. Put in as detailed of a description as you can as to why you need to change your region. If you have any documents that you think might help speed up the process, you can drop them in here. And when you're done, just click on submit and that is it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.